Wala lang problema. Kasi ito dalawa. Ito ang problema.
Okay, kaya shake hands. Black.
Sama diri. Diri. Uy, panglingkod na mo diri.
Okay, so let's call on Sir Aryan to call our winners. Let's start with the special category awards. After 6 rounds of action, we have 14 players who will receive cash prizes from Dr. Marlonsky Chess Center. So let's start with the top female award.
Okay, for the top female. Okay, so walay pagdapig-dapig. Let's call in Aton Beatrice with a score of 2 points, top female. Ay, Aton Gabriel pala. Aton Gabriel. Aton Gabriel with 3 points. Okay, Aton Gabriel pala. 3 points. Buti na lang.
Okay, let's call on our next category awardee. This time we'll have the top senior award. Players na pinanganak 1964 pababa. Let's call in George Cabunto from Cotabato City. Thank you for visiting our chess center. Okay. 62 years old po and still kicking.
Malakpak
Laban pa rin.
naman dyan!
Congratulations, Sir George. Picture po. Kami naman ang bisita sa inyo next time. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Now, let's go to our prodigy. Prodigy, no? Our top kiddie awardee. Players born 2012 onwards. With Baguio. With 3 points. Let's call in Baguio Alexander Jess. Congratulations! Top kiddie, top kiddie. Okay. Thank you very much. Congrats. And for our last category award, the top junior award for players born 2006 onwards, let's call in with 3.5 points. Let's call in Aton Aaron. Okay, congrats, Koy.
Congrats. A daddy became a mommy. Bravo.
Okay, before we proceed to the major prizes, we'll have Dr. Marlon for a short thank you message.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. So finally, the tournament has ended and I'm so glad that it went successfully despite the medyo wala ay ta nagkakwano kay ang uban supposedly nagpa-register na pero wala maka-attend tungod sa na ay traffic sa Ironman. So despite na enjoy gyapon ta na kuman na gyapon na tong tournament and I hope everyone really enjoyed this event and hopefully I could still see your faces in the next future and thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Doc. Salamat po sa support sa chess community. Madami pong nakinabang. And for the major awardees, let's start with the 10th placer. A former DLSU varsity player from Davao City with 4 points. Let's call in Denzel John Amar. Nag-girlfriend daw ito na Philippine team. Baka tinitrain ito ng girlfriend niya. Hindi ko lang alam kung sino.
Thank you.
Congrats! For our 9th placer, also from Cotabato City, the great Alex Alin. Congratulations, sir! For our 8th placer, also a former varsity player from UPHR, from Panabo City, also with 4 points. Let's go in Japet Aaron Carresosa. Kaka-champion lang yan. 8th place to. 8th place. Congratulations! And for our 7th placer, also from Cotabato City. Grabe, matitigas talaga sila. Oh, umatake from Cotabato City. Also with 4 points, let's call in Mokhtar Ali. Grabe, ang lakas na dumayo. That's... Okay. And for our 6th placer. Malakas din dati pero ngayon hindi na. Wapo na lang daw siya. Also with 4 points. Irwin Adon, that's me. Ayan, may special someone. Okay. Ito na sa mga major prizes na. Starting with the 5th placer. No need for introduction na ito, no? Grabe, kilalang kilala ng lahat. 13-time Philippine Champion, Grandmaster, Rogelio Antonio Jr. Congrats, Jem. Totoy ba tada? The best, the best, the best. Congrats, Jem. For our 4th placer, Zamboanga City's top player, National Master Joey Albert Florendo. Also with 4.5 points. Congrats. Okay. For our 3rd placer, dating varsity player din, also a varsity player, former of De La Salle University. Also a pride of Panabo City. FM na siya dapat, pero hindi niya kinukuha eh. Let's call in with 5 points. National Master Jason Salubre. Sabi niya, sa akin na lang daw. Gusto ko. Congrats on! And, grabe talaga ng mga, line up. Ito, for our 2nd placer, a figure in Davao City chess community. And even in Manila, known ito. Known street fighter. With 5 points. Let's call in Makakuna Akira ng Makakuna!
I would like to call in Nanay Biring. Nanay Biring. Nay,
Congratulations!
Mr. Nay.
Wait,
Para
ikaw
mga
naman
text
dahil
na
natin
mga
ikaw pa.
Nanay Biring is our neighbor, the former owner of this place.
Congrats, kid! And for the champion! We used to call him as a super non-master. Super non-master, no? A known trainer in CDO
Hapit na naman tigulang, sige lang tagdan master.
with 5.5 points in 6 games.
Ang vampira ng Cagayan!
Let's call in.
I would like to call in Mama Peli. Mama Peli.
Dali, ma'am.
Vampira ng Cagayan.
Mama Peli is the ever supportive mother of my wife, Dr. Nelda.
Okay, talang winners no? Lahat ng winners, please come forward for a group picture. Okay.
Eh, paluya-luya.
Balik lagi oh.
Kahapon, happy kayo sila. Baliw. Kahapon, ball kayo rin babal. Nuktok lang lang. Kahapon, saya sila.
Ako? Saan ako?
Dito na.
Ayan po.
Reunion na to. Reunion sa every month. 70 days.
Tanang player.